Welcome back to Weekend Out. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. Now with the passage of time over the years, things have evolved, including entertainment, right? Now entertainment of various forms is very easily available from within the comforts of your home. But it wasn't like this when it started, right? It was on the streets, it was live, and that was its purest form. And you know, even these days when you take a look, movie actors want to do theatre, not because it pays them more, but only because it gives them creative satisfaction of performing in the purest form with live audiences. And to keep this feeling alive, Al Ghurair Mall brought to Dubai the Dub Fest. Now this is an international street theatre and comedy fair, and the best part is that this is still on. So if you haven't been there as yet, you must go there. It's on today and tomorrow. The biggest international street theatre and comedy fair in the Middle East is back for the second year at the Al Ghurair Centre. With double the acts, street markets and shows that have never been seen before in this region. This year's Dub Fest is surely the most memorable family experience of the year.
Tutti in Valigia is a comic clown show with a lot of suitcases. And so I'm really happy to stay here in Dubai. It's the first time for me and I am really excited.
Okay, I have to say, I was quite excited and a little nervous. What you are doing so much time, but it was very good energy, very good energy. I really enjoyed the audience, very mixed. I like to play with the audience more than doing just the structure of the show. So I think I'm gonna have fun here. Very happy.
If I get the opportunity, I would come back here in a heartbeat. The people are great and the excitement and the energy on the street is fantastic. So I'm looking forward to a great 10 days. And if you know, the powers that be like what I do, I would be back in a heartbeat.
Dub Fest is the largest international street theatre festival in the Middle East, with over 45 performers and more than 400 shows over the 10-day festival period on the streets of Al Ghurair Centre. 2015 is bigger and better than ever before and features an amazing all-star lineup, including the checkerboard guy from Canada, Richard Garagti from the UK, the fire show called Let Me Try from Spain, and many more such acts.
This is what we love. To meet another people, it's all in the same work.
Yeah.
We have fun, we meet a lot of people, a lot of countries, culture. I don't know, it's so easy. It's easy communicated.
To come here and do these evening shows with audiences that are so attentive. They really want to get behind you, support you, watch your show. I mean, some of them really want to be a big part of the show, like the two guys that held the unicycle today. They just wouldn't do what I told them to, which can be fun, but can be a bit scary at times.
Get ready to be amazed at the Al Ghurair Centre through feats of wonder, magic and art. Visitors are welcomed and encouraged to participate as close-up magicians, street theatre comedians and live musicians as a range of international artists take to the streets. The art on display illustrates the various notions about socio-cultural norms of today's world. And the beauty about Zeitgeist is that it allows you not only to enjoy the artist's creativity, but lets you play with yours as well. Musawwir Art Gallery brings you Zeitgeist, an exhibition showcasing the works of 5 most sought-after Pakistani artists.
That's the expertise of our curator. We are very thankful that she picked up all these different artists from different cities of Pakistan.
We participated in many international art fairs. So when we visited Dubai, we haven't found any Pakistani art gallery here. So in 2012, we take a decision to open our branch here.
Now this is a combination of 2 German words, Geist and Zeist, meaning the spirit of time. each artist projects his own unique perspective about the dilemmas and characteristics shaping the world today. It's time for us to take a short break, and break के बाद मैं और आप मिलकर बढ़िया सा खाना खाएंगे at a brand new restaurant called Shabu Shabu.